Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Pusheen box. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you you can cancel your Pusheen box very easily. First, what you have to do, you need to log in into your account and you need to tap on my account icon and then select manage subscription, and then you need to click on edit on the plan you want to cancel and scroll down at very bottom side of the page and you can cancel your subscription very easily. So basically it can cancel your all the subscriptions, but if is any order is upcoming orders, is there any order is coming, then in that case what you have to do, you need to, if you want to cancel your current box order, okay, so you need to contact them at their email address. You can see over here, this is the official website note, and there they have mentioned like your account is now inactive, so you will not renew for further boxes in your subscription. If you would like for your current box order to be officially cancelled, please email at their email address. Okay, so you need to compose an email, like if you have any current box orders, then you can compose an email related to the cancellation of your current box. And email format, you can see this is an example. You can take help from ChatGPT also, and once you done this thing, you need to send the email at their contact at the rate pusheenbox.com, and once they receive, they will cancel your current box subscription, so current box order. Okay, so this is the method. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.